Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll see Python practical example. Here, programmers write a program to perform different set operations like in mathematics. We know that what is meant by set. Set is a collection of elements. Here, you can consider two sets. You can perform the different operations like union, intersection of two sets. So let's see this problem. Here I have typed program in Visual Studio Code. Here you will get the output on this terminal. When you are trying to perform programs on the Visual Studio Code, you need to add extension for Python. From here you can create the new file. Here you can create one folder inside the Visual Studio. Here you can create a new file. Just click on the new file. Create a new file and you can execute this file by clicking here, or just click on a run and use the debug option or Ctrl F5 to run this code. Here is a program name. In Python, we are using the hash to give the command. Hash define set. Here define the two sets. Here e and n are the two sets. You can change the element. It's not necessary to write the element in this way only. You can write the element like this. Set union. So first we'll do the union. So we are using this symbol for union of two sets. Set intersection. How to perform the intersection? Intersection is E and N is. We are using this ampersand sign, or we can say the AND for intersection. For set difference, we are using the subtraction sign, minus sign. Difference of E and N is E minus N. For the set symmetric difference, symmetric difference of the both the sets we will get by applying this sign on this given set. Now just save this code. See, this is not saved yet, so you need to save it. Just press the Ctrl S to save this code. Now it is saved. Just click on a run to run this code. Run Python 5. When you are clicking on this, see, here you will get the update and here you will get the answer. See, here is the answer. See, union of E and N is, union is given. The intersection of E and N, difference of E and N, and the symmetry of E and N. Here you will get the answer. So in this way you can execute the code, you can write the code in this console and you can